Unraveling the Meaning of Tube Exit, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: the phrase, tube exit. Whether you're planning to visit London or just eager to expand your English vocabulary, understanding this phrase is quite essential. So, let's dive in and demystify tube exit together. Firstly, it's crucial to understand the context in which tube exit is used. The tube refers to the London Underground, which is the city's rapid transit system. It's called the tube because of the cylindrical shape of the railway's tunnels. Now, when we talk about a tube exit, we are referring to the way out or exit from one of these underground stations. Let's break down the phrase, tube exit, a bit more. Tube, as we mentioned, is a colloquial term for the London Underground. The word, exit, refers to a way out or a doorway leading out of a place. So, when combined, tube exit specifically means the exit of an underground station in London. Now that we understand what tube exit means, let's see how it can be used in sentences. 1. Can you tell me where the nearest tube exit is? 2. I got lost and couldn't find the tube exit. 3. Make sure you take the right tube exit to reach the museum. In all these examples, tube exit is used to refer to the way out of an underground station. If you're a tourist in London or if you plan to use the London Underground, knowing the term tube exit is quite important. It helps you navigate the stations more easily and ensures that you don't get lost in the hustle and bustle of the city. Additionally, if you need to ask for directions, using the correct terminology will help locals understand you better. And there we have it, a comprehensive guide on the phrase, tube exit. We hope this video has helped clarify what the term means and how you can use it in sentences. Remember, understanding such specific local terms can greatly enhance your travel experience and your English language skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more English learning content. Until next time, happy learning!